Hello, friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions. With another new video, today I will show you how can we stop Microsoft Edge Open automatically issue. So, let's follow my step. Click on Local Disk, C. Now, click on User. And select your user profile. Now do this carefully. Click on Apps Data. Click on Local. Now select Packages. Now select Microsoft EDEG DevTools Client 8 Wecom 3D8 BBWE. Click on AC. Now click on Temp. Now, select All and delete all. Restart your PC. I hope now work properly. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.